Hello everybody, Nathaniel from RC Insight here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair and unpair your Whoop fitness tracker. One of the great things about Whoop is that it works with both iOS and Android. It's not locked to one ecosystem, so all you need to do to use it is know how to connect it to your mobile device. It's as simple as that, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Whoop app, and you can see I've already unpaired my device for this video. And so right at the top of the app, there is this big pair a device box. However, if that is not there, you can also just click on the little band in the top right corner. That will take you to the device settings where you will be prompted to pair a device. When I click on pair a device, you will see any available devices on your network. You can see Nate's Whoop MG is right there. Now, if for some reason your device is not showing, you can manually put the Whoop MG or 5.0 into pairing mode. And there are two ways you can do this. One, just straight out of the box, you can slide the power pack over the Whoop and that will launch it into pairing mode. Now, this doesn't always work, and there's also a way to manually put this into pairing mode. All I need to do is take the sensor off my wrist and wait for the green PPG sensor to turn off. So now this device is off my wrist, and I'm just going to tap on the top of the band repeatedly until you'll notice the blue light comes on. We're just going to keep tapping and tapping. Sometimes it takes more time than others. There we go. Yeah, sometimes it only takes a few taps. Sometimes it needs to take a while, but you just tap repeatedly until eventually the blue light will start flashing. That means your device is now in pairing mode. And so if we go back to the app here, when I click on Nate's Whoop MG, it's going to start to connect. You're going to see that green icon that it's connect, and it's also going to vibrate. The haptic sensor is going to vibrate, so you know it is connected. Now, for some reason, if you needed to disconnect your device, maybe you got a new one, you want to swap them out, or whatever it may be, I don't know why, but sometimes you might need to disconnect your device. Maybe it's not syncing, and so you need to disconnect it and reconnect it. All you're going to have to do, same device settings window, we're going to go to advanced settings here, and you're just going to click on unpair device. And as simple as that, it says, are you sure this will remove the Bluetooth connection? Just like that. Done, the device is unpaired. I now no longer have a Whoop paired, and we can once again go back in, pair my Whoop, and we are connected again. So it's as simple as that. That is how you pair and unpair your Whoop device. Hopefully, if anyone was struggling with this, you found this video useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer you. With all that said, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.